Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 18 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to share a deal with you all on an Xbox. In order to be able to get the maximum amount of cash back on this deal, I need you to start off at Ebates. If you haven't heard of Ebates, definitely check out the video I did on Ebates for episode 2 of Dilmas. The link is in the description, and there will also be a link in the description to join Ebates. When you use the link, you will get $10 to start off with. But let's go ahead and get into this deal. So if you do watch the video and find out how to get the plugin on your browser, you don't have to go through Ebates to get the deal. You can go straight to the website that I'm going to type in, which is Kohl's. But if you don't have the plugin, you will need to start off at ebates.com or the Ebates app on your phone and search for Kohl's. As you can see right now, Kohl's has a 3% cash back. Go ahead and click Shop Now for Ebates. It will track your shopping trip by showing you this, letting you know that it is following you. So you will get your cash back. So as you can see right now, Kohl's has free shipping with a $50 purchase, free store pickup today, and you can take an extra 30%, 20%, or 15% off when you use a Kohl's charge. If you don't have a Kohl's charge, you can see if you pre-qualify today with no impact to your credit score, it says. So click right there to get started. Once approved, take an extra 35% off your first Kohl's charge purchase. It ends December the 29th. You can save 20% when you spend $100+ or save 15%. The promo code is YouSaveMore. That ends December 24th. Plus, everyone gets $10 cold cash for every $50 spent through December 24th. Redeemable through December 25th to January 6th. If you do free store pickup, it says that most orders are ready in 2 hours. What I want to search for on here today, though, is the Xbox One Minecraft bundle. They have it on sale for $199.99. Regular price is $299.99. You can pick it up in store, and you can have it shipped to you free because it is over $50. You will get $30 in cold cash to use. So what's included is the Xbox One S console, wireless controller, and the Minecraft full game download. Go ahead and do as you normally would. Add it to the cart. View the cart. If you have the plugin, Ebates will probably try to run some coupons for you, but it will tell you that you will get $6 cash back. Alright, so when you go to view your cart, you will see the shipping is free. The estimated tax for me is $12. That brings the total to $211.99. Your purchase earnings is the $30 cold cash. You're only a penny away to your next $10 cold cash. So if you put an additional penny in your cart, you will get $10 more in Kohl's cash. Your savings is $108.95. Today is December 19th. It says that it will arrive Thursday, December 27th through the 3rd, which will be after Christmas, or you can try to do the free store pickup so that you can get it before Christmas if they have it in stock. But you will need to make sure that you do the free store pickup by 3 p.m. local time, December 24th, in order to be able to get it by Christmas. So once you go ahead and check out, give them all the information that they need for you to complete the order. If you have Kohl's charge, be sure to check out with that because it will take that extra percentage off for you as well. So in essence, you will get your Xbox One Minecraft bundle for a lot less than $211.99. If you are new to Ebates and you use my link in the description, of course, you started off with $10. Plus, you're going to get the additional 3% cash back, your Kohl's cash, and the percentage you will get off for using Kohl's charge. Well, that was my deal for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilmas video.